Hey there, it's Kimberly here with Knit for Brains. Ooh, I got a box, so stay tuned. Hey there, it's Kimberly here with Knit for Brains, but you already know that. That's why you're here. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you're just joining us, thank you. I am so glad that you're here. Hopefully I've made you laugh at least once or twice. I don't know. But here on this channel, we're doing a charity project or an appreciation project called Project Welcome Home. We're sending granny square blankets to assisted living residents. But I do a lot of tutorials, unboxings, and things like that. And so today, I bring you a box. Not just any box, not just from any one place. This box, my friend, is from Yarnspirations. I love Yarnspirations. I love their patterns. I love their yarns. It's very mainstream, okay? But with a lot of the local hobby stores and craft stores closing, or maybe they're not so close to you, I wanted to kind of do this sort of a series where I'm showing you places where you can get really beautiful quality yarns for the same price or even less than you can going to your local Joann's or Hobby Lobby or Michael's stores. Yarnspirations has a lot of those yarns. It's their home brand for these yarns that you will find at your Joann's and your Michael's. But they also have fun, cool mystery boxes. And anytime I see a mystery box and it sails across my transom, I'm like, bing, buy me. Can't help myself. So Yarnspirations was offering this mystery box. And so I have no idea what's in here. And I love mystery boxes because it's a surprise to me just like it is to you. But I can get it. But I can't get to it. That's rude. That's rude and very mean. It's very rude and mean. Okay, got it. Nothing else in here? See ya. All right. Mystery. Mystery. All right. Before I show you that, I'm going to show you what else I got. Because I loved this. I thought, ooh, that's really pretty. And it was on offer. So I wanted to take a look and see so I can tell you, what I paid for this stuff. So this one here, this is by Red Heart. Now, Red Heart is aligned with Yarnspirations. Yarnspirations so they carry Bernat, Karen, Red Heart, Sugars and Cream, Susan Bates, Patton's, Anchor, Aunt Lydia's Crochet Thread, Coates and Clark, Wonder Art, Fintex, Peaches and Cream, right? So a lot of your mainstream yarns. You're not going to get your really high-end yarns here, but that's fine. I mean, like most of the time I don't use high-end yarns myself. Anyways, but, so here's what I got. This stuff here, now this is called Red Heart Roll With It Sparkle Yarn. I loved this. This is a weight of, I think it is a 4, but it's a thin 4. It's definitely a thin 4. I loved it. This color, I believe, is called Sedona. Yes, Sedona. I was like, oh, I love that. Yeah. So in this cake here, it is, it's 97% acrylic and 3% autre fibre, or other fibers. If you're in Canada, you would understand the autre fibre. It has 5.29 ounces, 561 yards. Yeah, 561 yards. So this guy, and I got 3 of these balls because that's how they came for $17.97. So that's a little over $5 per skein. That's actually really good. Isn't that pretty? Love these colors. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I don't know what I'm going to make. Could be a shawl, could be, well, here they're showing you could do a shawl with it. So I might do a shawl. I don't know, but I loved it. Isn't that pretty? So these 3 cakes were $17.97. This guy, this guy was $29.99. This is the mystery box where I get 6 skeins of something, some kind of beauty that I've adopted. Sorry for the noise. After I open this, we're going to take a little tour, you and me, like a little field trip like you did when you were a kid, around the Yarnspirations website so you can see what I see and what I like about it. And we'll talk about shipping and stuff like that. Ready? All right, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna let you see it before me. Is it cool? Is it good? Is it good? This is their unforgettable yarn. And it's super soft. I'm gonna open it, and it's in 2 different colors, 3 skeins of each, but they go together, friends. $29.99 is what this baby cost me. Super soft. I think it's 100% acrylic. This color I'm opening is called Meadow. This is called Meadow. It has 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 270 yards per ball. And this color is called, what I told you, it's called Meadow. And it is 100% acrylic. Isn't that beautiful? Now, I was just reading an article, and it just popped up in my feed about, oh, don't use acrylic yarn because, you know, it fills a landfill and I know. I mean, like, you can get some of the recycled yarns where they take acrylic yarns and things like that, and they recycle it and they make it into new yarn, and that's lovely too. So, but I'm not hating, you know, that sometimes you buy acrylic, you know, or polyester or something like that, or maybe there's a blend in there or whatever. But this is, so, you know, there's all different kinds out there. Do I try to buy natural fibers? Yeah, I do. But, I mean, I didn't here, did I? But Yarnspirations, they do have a lot of, like, cottons. And I think they probably even have some wool blends. So they have acrylic and blended fibers. They have mixed materials, nylon, olefin, and polyester. So more than, oh, and they do have some wool. They do have some wool. But, you know, I understand sometimes things are expensive, and maybe you don't always want to make something, you know, like a blanket or whatever, and you need acrylic. You need something to be easy wash and wear. I totally get that. But I just thought it was interesting. So this here is, again, they're unforgettable. Has a little bit of that squeaky thing that makes me kind of go like that, you know? This one's called Heirloom. This is beautiful. That's really pretty. You know what I'm seeing here? Actually, I am seeing a granny square blanket with these. I think these would be really pretty granny squares. They're a weight of a 4. And then if you put these 2 colors together and interweave and weave them together, that's going to be a beautiful, beautiful granny square blanket. So maybe I'll end up using these for my project Welcome Home. But 6 skeins for $29.90, let's say $30. That's like $5 a skein. That's a good deal, I think. And it comes with, like I just said, 270 yards. Beautiful. So yeah, that's what I think we're going to do with this. We're going to make granny square project Welcome Homes. And the Brit isn't going to even be mad, because his rule of thumb is if you make it, as long as it leaves the house and doesn't come back in, you can do it. Well, technically, I will be making it. It will leave the house and it won't even come back in. So there you go. All right. So I got this from Yarnspirations. Let's take a look at their website. You can see some of the other really cool things that they offer and some of the other products that they carry. Yarnspirations is one of my go-to websites. So they currently ship to the United States, including Alaska, Hawaii, and Canada. And it gives you all the information here as far as where they ship to. So these are the brands that Yarnspiration has, which is the Bernats, the Karen, the Peaches and Cream, Red Heart Patents, Susan Bates, Fintex, Coates and Clark, Anchor, Wonderland, Aunt Lydia's, and Sugar and Cream. Their free pattern portion of their website is really dynamic as well. So you can just go ahead and grab a pattern that you like, and it tells you what yarns to use, or of course you can always use whatever you want inside, and then basically it's a PDF that you can just print. Their patterns are great, really easy to use. It gives you all the information that you need right here at the top. And they're usually pretty short, so they're going to be 1 to 2 pages, so it's not going to jam up your printer or take up a lot of ink. So these are all the different patterns that they have here. So this is something that Yarnspiration has just started coming up with, and I was really excited to see this. If you love the Red Heart All-in-One Granny Square, they have this summer bundle, and you can get all the different colors, and the price is really good. So this is what's available in the Soft White Citrus Twist, Aran Soft Sky, and Soft White Shadow. So basically you're getting the 3 different colors, 2 skeins of each one. Here it gives you all the information about the yarn itself. And then these are other products that they have. So these are their different bundles that they've got going on right now. So the Crochet Crowd is a group that's on Yarn on YouTube. And you can order their blankets here, their packs. So that's actually a really good price, down from $129 down to $59.99. And then you end up getting all of these different things here. Now this is a super bulky weight, but you get 3 skeins of the birch, 2 skeins of misty green, 2 skeins of pink dust, and 2 skeins of the pale gray, enough to make a project a basket. Here they've got the Repeat After Me, Repeat Crafter Me. And they have this in a couple different colors. So here, if you want just the really cute bright colors, you can go that round. Or if you want to go with the Red Heart Super Saver Craft Kit, that's on sale as well. And you can see what we've got on sale here. So they're always having sales as well. So I really like checking out this website. I love Yarnspirations. I love their yarns. If you're looking for just a really good basic yarn, you can see all the different things that they've got, their bundles and their boxes, and then what's on clearance as well. I always like to check out the clearance. So here, this is with Daisy Farm Crafts. Again, this is someone that does a lot on YouTube. She's got some great patterns. She even has some craft books that she's made as well. And so with this, which is currently on sale, you get all these different yarns. So you get 4 of the dark gray, 4 of the light gray, gray heather, feathered gray, and 4 of the white. And these are 100% acrylic. This is currently on sale for $39.99, down from $79.99. All right, so there you have it, Yarnspirations. Give them a look-see. Love their patterns. And I love the fact that you can like save a pattern and you can download it and keep it in your own little account or your own little library. Printing out their patterns, they automatically come PDF. They're nice and condensed, really easy patterns to follow. I've done several of them. And I love how they break up their website. You can look at things by color, by fiber type, by yarn weight, different things like that. So definitely give them a shot. You can get free shipping at like $100, $120 depending on the sale, and they are always offering sales. So there you go. Just giving you options where you can go and find your favorite yarns. Today we're talking about Yarnspirations. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, please share it with a friend or a family member and say, hey, check out this channel. It's pretty fun. They have a lot of fun. We do tutorials and different things like that. If you haven't already, make sure that you like this video and then subscribe to the channel so you get all the notifications when I pump out some videos. And as always, I'm so glad you're here and I'll see you soon.